So today I'm just going to do a few little things around the house. One of them being fitting the outside tap. This, as I've mentioned before, is going to be our downstairs utility room. The outdoor tap is going to connect to this cold feed here. So basically what we need to do is measure from the outside wall so I'm in the right position, and then we can start drilling. A little kit like this, so you get this already soldered on, and you also get the tap with it as well. Bought a 3-way push fit connection for here, so obviously to keep that feed and then also to feed off of that into the tap. Okay, so we think it's around this position somewhere. Obviously we need to measure properly. So this outer skin is in line with this outer skin of this brick, so if I take a measurement from the wood to the end of here, I can be pretty certain that it's the same on this side. I want to try and aim for this end side of the wood here. Cut a little notch out. I've butchered it a little bit, but it doesn't really matter.
It's through.
You can use these on copper and pipe work as well, which is why I bought this. So obviously the plan is to have it running like that. This is the cold water feed. It is connected to the pipe, so we'll have to turn the water off and then drain that. So just got to wait 28 minutes.
Tea.
So while I wait for the washing machine to finish a little bit, we're gonna go make some pancakes. We've turned the main water supply off. Just got a bucket and I'm just gonna drain it from here as well. The rubber seal is at the back of this, so obviously you don't want to cut it too short, so you need to mark it ideally to reach the lines on there. So now we know that's in. Next thing to do is, but it's not going to go through the wood, so it might have to be about. Okay, so now I know that's all in the right place. I'm going to take it back out and then I can put the fixings in for the other side. I can't obviously do it while it's in place here. So all you do to release it is you just screw it back out and then you push the little flange down and it will come out. So I've got 3 points. I need to get my drill. So obviously there's a hole in the wall now, so we don't want anything to leak through, so I've got some of this. It's frame sealant, but it's weatherproof, so I'm going to put some of this in there and then around here as well, just to stop any water ingress. So that's screwed in. I'm probably going to get some sealant for the outside, but a better colour eventually. Obviously we've got a roof protecting it at the minute, so it's not a big deal. I'm just using some PTFE tape around the thread, then that will help seal it. So obviously you need to think as well, if you're screwing it that way, then you want to go clockwise, I think, with the tape, because if you don't, then it will all start to crumble up inside. So the water pressure's back on, just going around checking everywhere for leaks. So I'm going to check the outside, give it a run through. Nice.